Ever found yourself in a foreign land, pockets screaming for cash? You look around, heart pounding, and spot an ATM. You insert your shiny new YouTrip card, anticipation building like a roller coaster. But hold on, is that the right move? Can you actually withdraw money from YouTrip? Let's dive in. Picture this, you're standing in the heart of Bangkok, surrounded by neon lights and the tantalizing aroma of street food. Your stomach growls in agreement with the city's vibrant rhythm. You check your wallet, empty. A wave of panic washes over you, then a glimmer of hope, your YouTrip card. Can it save the day? YouTrip, that sleek little card promising to revolutionize your travel finances. It's a darling among budget travelers, offering enticing perks like zero transaction fees and competitive exchange rates. But when it comes to cold, hard cash, things get a bit murkier. Let's clear the air. Yes, you can indeed withdraw money from your YouTrip card. But it's not without its caveats. First off, you can only withdraw from overseas ATMs. So, if you're dreaming of a quick cash grab at your local corner store, forget it. Your YouTrip card is strictly for international adventures. Secondly, there's the matter of fees. You get a generous allowance of 400 Singapore dollars in free withdrawals per month. Beyond that, a 2% withdrawal fee kicks in. It's not exactly a deal breaker, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about the process. It's pretty straightforward. Look for an ATM sporting the MasterCard, Maestro, or Cirrus logo, those are your friends. Insert your YouTrip card, enter your PIN, the same one you use for the app, and select Savings Account instead of Current Account. Choose the local currency, and voila! Cash in your hand. But wait, there's more. Some ATMs have withdrawal limits, and there's always the possibility of additional fees imposed by the ATM operator. So, keep your eyes peeled for those little notices on the screen. While withdrawing cash from YouTrip is convenient, it's not necessarily the most cost-effective option. Consider loading up your card with enough funds for most expenses and using it for payments whenever possible. Those zero transaction fees are a goldmine. So, can you withdraw money from YouTrip? Absolutely. Should you? Well, it depends. If you find yourself in a tight spot and cash is your only option, go for it. But for the most part, try to plan ahead and rely on your card for payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.